Factoring trinomials involving two variables. We actually kind of previewed this a little bit in one of the earlier videos. But let's take a look here. Here's factored form, we want simplified form. Remember, we want to look for a common factor. That's the first step. But here we are simplifying. So we're going to get x squared. We're going to need a pen. Don't need that. Okay. Pen. Foil. X squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 is x squared plus 5x plus 6. What about this? Well, for FOIL, first x squared plus 3xy plus 2yx, but hey, if we're going to do that, remember we always write in alphabetical order, plus 2xy plus 6y squared. X squared plus 5xy plus 6y squared. Factored form. X squared plus 5x minus 4x is plus 1x minus 20. X squared plus 5xy minus 4xy is plus 1xy minus 20y squared. Now, if you look at the similarities between the simplified and factored forms, you're going to see that they're pretty much the same, only there's a second variable here. So we've got a 5xy and a 6y squared. And similarly in the second group. So if we were asked to factor this, you could really x squared minus 3xy minus 54y squared. You could just factor this. So what am I going to do? I'm going to say x and x. That's a minus. So I've got a plus and a minus. Two numbers that multiply to 54 and differ by 3. Pretty sure that's 9 and 6. And the larger one is negative. Check this. X squared minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3 minus 54. Okay, let's factor this. Well, we know it's the same, only we've got this second variable, the y, that we put in there. So if you were asked to factor 2x squared minus 7x plus 3y squared, you could follow steps, similar steps. Oh, wait, I think we're supposed to fill this in. Minus 3x minus 54, right? You can lose the y. So 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. Remember Polya's problem solving? Solve a simpler problem. So in this case, factor a simpler trinomial. 2x and x. Numbers at 3, so to get a 3, I'm going to put 3 there. That's a plus, that's a minus. These will both be minuses. 2x squared minus 6x minus 1 is minus 7x plus 3. Factor this. 2x minus 1y, or just y, and x. Yeah, nice save, not quite. X minus 3y. 2x squared minus 6xy minus 1xy is minus 7xy plus 3y squared. Factoring trinomials of the form ax squared plus bxy. He says bxy and tries to write that as if it's one symbol. Plus bxy plus cy squared is similar to factoring ax squared plus bx plus c. Hang on, what's this notification? Oh, Toronto 3, Calgary 2. 14:39. Goal, David Jones. Okay, sorry, moving right on. So factoring in two variables is really very similar to factoring in one variable, right? You're just solving a simpler problem. So I am going to factor a squared minus 3a minus 18. I'm going to get an a and an a and plus and a minus and a 3 and a 6. A squared minus 6a plus 3a is minus 3a minus 18, and a plus 3b a minus 6b. I'm going to factor 3c squared minus 11c minus 4. 3c, c, 4, I put the 4 here, let's go minus 4 plus 1, 3c squared minus 12 plus 1 is minus 11 minus 4. It's factoring magic. 3c, now I need a d, so we're going to go plus 1d, or just plus d, and c minus 4d. There is something common here, right, which is a 3, so what are we going to do? We're going to go 3 bracket 2x squared plus 3, plus just x, right, because we're dividing by 3, minus 15. So I'm ignoring the y's right now. So I got the 3. We know there's a 2x. We know there's an x. I need to get a 15, which is likely a 5 and a 3. If I put the 5 here, I'll get a 10, so I don't want that. I'm going to put the 5 here and the 3 here. I want a minus, I want a plus. And we're done. It's amazing what you can do with some practice, but let's check that. So I get 2x squared plus 6 minus 5 is plus 1 minus 15. So we got the 3, we got a 2x minus 5y, and we got an x plus 3y. Why? Because we care so very much. It's getting late here, folks. Whoa. Q, what do we got? We got a P, lowest power of P is P, lowest power of Q is Q. We got 5s all over the place. So I'm going 5. So we're going to drop the Q's. Well, okay. Yeah, let's try that. So let's take out a 5P. It's really going to be 5PQ. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. 5PQ. P squared plus, and let me get a P squared, so PQ minus 20Q squared. Okay, drop the Q's. Just remember, we're going to put a Q back in here, and we're going to put Q's front and back there. So I'm going to go 5P squared plus P minus 20, 5P, P plus 5, P minus 4, that's P squared, minus 4P plus 5P is plus 1P minus 20, and the final factored form, we got a 5PQ, P plus 5Q, P minus 4Q. Just check that out. We're just going to get the last term, right? This will be minus 20Q squared. So minus 100PQ cubed. Yay. Yes, it is, right? Okay. Good. Getting late. Move on. Exercice. These are the exercises. Y'all got the answers. No video bonus. I'm not going to drag this out. You really do need to work through these, okay? And then please come in and ask questions. This is short, 9 minutes and 33 seconds, very short lesson. So, let's get her done and make sure there's lots of practice going on, and we have a good test. And then the QM is going to follow that up, and we'll all be happy then, right? We'll all be happy.